Maya, this chair is totally broken.
Don't worry, let's add it to the repair list. If this fan gets any slower, it's gonna start moving backward.
We can't just keep ignoring this. We need a real workspace to learn properly. We should definitely ask for more recess. I am writing that down right now. And maybe we can get some new books, too. That is a perfect addition. Let's say it's for new books.
Good idea, Leo.
We need to fix the fans. Let's sign it together. I'll use the pink pen. It looks great. We did it! There, it's done.
Now it's our turn. Let's all sign it!
I hope Mr. Davis listens to us.
He will, Leo. We have proof.
Good morning, Leo. Good morning, Maya. What brings you to the office today?
What brings you to the office today?
Well, what do we have here? A letter from...
Room 204.
I look forward to reading this.
Thank you, Principal Davies.
You are completely right. A good learning environment is important. I will call the maintenance crew right now.
Thank you so much, Principal Davies.
When we speak up respectfully, work together as a team, and communicate our needs clearly, positive changes can happen for everyone.
Wow! This chair is perfect. This chair is perfect.
When we speak up respectfully, work together as a team, and communicate our needs clearly, positive changes can happen for everyone.
This is a very important mission, kids.
Wonderful work, everyone!
Wonderful work, everyone.
Hey, big ears! Catch this! Haha, gotcha!
You asked for it.
Hey, big ears! Haha, gotcha!
You asked for it.
Please subscribe Toons Raj Academy channel.
Please subscribe to Toons Raj Academy.